Good evening, students. Today we are going to see how to change the active voice into passive voice. So in the previous video we learnt deeply about what is active voice and what is passive voice. Do you remember that? What is active voice? Active voice is said to be when the subject performs an action, isn't it? So like that, what is passive voice? If the subject does not perform the action, which means the objects placed in the subject place, so it is known as recipient of the verb. So then it is said to be passive voice. So first I am going to solve the first one, or I am going to rewrite how to change it as passive voice. The police locked up the criminals. This is a given statement. Locked up is the verb, we know that. So who locked up? The police. So here the action is done by the police, so that's why it is known as subject. Here the subject does the action or performs the action, so it is in active voice. So I am going to change it as passive voice. So before changing passive voice, we have to follow some rules. What are they? Subjects goes to the place of object and objects comes to the place of subject. This is the first one. And what is the second one? Main verb should be in V3 form. What is the third one? Use B form verb, suitable B form verb. So how do you use B form verb? We can divide it as two categories: with auxiliary verb, or without auxiliary verb. This is a key point. This is not regular. You can use this key point. So the sentence, whether it has auxiliary verb or does not have auxiliary verb. If it is with auxiliary verb, we have to use three kinds: being, be, been. If there is no auxiliary verb, then we have to add two kinds: am, is, are is known as present, was, were known as past tense. So I am going to apply. What is the fourth one? Add by before object in passive voice. Passive voice la irukra object ku munadi by add pannum. These are the four rules we are going to apply. So here object comes to the place of subject, so the criminal, and locked up. Here there is no supporting verb. So what would like to do? You have to add was or were. Here the criminal is the criminals are plural, so we have to use were. Locked is the ed form of V2, so V3 also the same, locked up by the police. So here were locked up becomes were locked up. So this is the change. So remaining we can easily do this. What is that? Criminals comes as subject and police goes as object. Like that you can change here. Here also you don't have any auxiliary verb, so it is in past tense. For past tense, first you have to bring the object here. So her is the object. When it comes as subject, it comes as C. So scared. What you want to do? For past tense you have to use was or were. When it does not have auxiliary verb. Very good. Auxiliary verb illa appadina was or were add pannum. So she was, because she is the singular. So she was scared by the spider. I know what you mean. Scare means bayam. So he will bring me in a cab. Here me is an object. When you change a subject, I. So this is modal auxiliary verb. For modal auxiliary verb you have to add be. So here will bring. So bring is the main verb. We have to write V3 form as per the second one. So brought. Will is the model verb. So we have to add B form, suitable B form. So will be brought. He becomes in object as him. So before object you have to add by. So I will be brought by him in a cab. This is the third one answer. And fourth one, begin is the verb. It does not have supporting verb. So the sentence is without supporting verb, but it is in present tense. So many people is the subject. New project is the object. So object comes to the place of subject. So new projects. New projects is in plural. For singular you can use am, is, are. Here new projects is plural. So we have to use are. Begin. What is the V3 form of begin? Begin, began, began. So began is the V3 form of begin. By. What is that subject? Many people. So what is remaining adverb? In January. So what is the next one? The boy is the subject. Is eating is the verb. The cake is the object. So object comes the place of subject. So the cake is eating. Here is the auxiliary verb or supporting verb. Eating is the continuous tense. In the previous video I told that for continuous tense we have to use being. So eat was the what is the V3 form of eat? Eaten. So is being eaten by the boy. So our subject goes to the place of object. So I hope you understood the exercises. So thank you.